I'm using Bernina version 8, and I want to do a applique that will be a double color and tackle twill. So I need a zigzag instead of a satin stitch, and especially on the letters that have a full circle to them, I'm getting a double line that I don't want, and I'll show you how I get rid of it. So to begin this, we'll go to digitize, select all, advanced applique, set the colors. I don't really care what's in them, so I'm going to get rid of that. But the tool needs to have something to know what it is you're going to set stitches around. So I don't need a cutting line because I'm going to use another silhouette or a brother scan and cut to get my fabric pieces. On a zigzag. It's really nice because you can toggle back and forth. 3mm sometimes makes more sense to me than 0.118 inches, but it's intuitive. It goes back and forth. I'll set my color that I want. I want my stitches to sit inside. I want these stitches to sit inside the fabric, so I'm going to move that slider. Okay. Let's look at this one. I think because I'm doing a this is coming up 4, I thought I was working on my 5. It is a 4-inch. Okay. But I still think I can get by with 3mm as far as my width. Yeah. Let's get this another color. Move that slider in, move that slider there. Okay. Now it won't let you do anything else until you close this out. So we're going to close out the applique properties. And since I'm on the trial, this won't dock. It just continually says auto hide. So ignore that part. I want to get rid of, first of all I need to break it apart so that I can get rid of things. So let's do Control All, break apart. Still okay. I don't have the double line that I spoke of. I use Control U to ungroup. You'll also find it here. Arrange, group, and ungroup. This one represents the well, on the other computer it was representing the fabric. I'm going to keep going with it. Okay. So I'm still okay without a double line. This is the layer that actually needs to sew first. So if I group this together, Control G to group, still okay. And when I move it to the top, this is the double line I spoke about. And it has to do with start and stop, you know, where it starts sewing, where it ends sewing, and not having any, and it eliminates jump stitches. And I played around with, you know, moving these and trying to get rid of it, and I'd have it gone, and then it would come back. So it just really wasn't getting it. Let's try it down here. Nah. Doing Control Z for the 2 times I was messing around. Maybe 3 times Control Z. Okay. And if I do Control Z again, I'm back where I don't have that double line. It's when I combined it and tried to move it that I got into trouble. I know I need to combine these also, so I'm going to go ahead and go Control, Group, and when I try to move them down, I get a double line. Let's do Control Z to undo. But here's what I found that I could do. If instead of moving it, if I cut it, Control X, and Control V, it comes in without that double line. Rachel Couch, you'll explain this to me so simply, and I'll say, oh, okay, my eyes will glaze over and you'll know that I don't quite get it. But this works for me. So those two are grouped, those two are grouped. Arrange. I need to Control All, align centers, and there's my letter.